Let's take a look at the chart action for Sushi swap. Okay, so here's what I've been looking at on Sushi. We had a cup and handle pattern, something like that. That's what I thought anyways. We got a breakout to the upside right there. What I was doing is targeting from the top to the bottom of this cup, dragging that to the breakout, maybe something like that. And I was looking at a target of around 20.48. But I was also saying how I wanted to break this resistance and this resistance. We have a trend line going straight, something like that. And we actually got resistance exactly at that trend line right here. What I'm looking at now is we have resistance right here and resistance right here. We can do a downtrend, maybe going something like this. This is in kind of like the shorter time period. It looks like we just broke that downtrend going to the upside right here. Let's see if we can continue this momentum. What I'll be doing is targeting this previous resistance, maybe around 15.14, maybe 15.20, something like that. Pretty much this previous resistance right there. I think if we could break above this level, we'll be targeting this next previous resistance somewhere at around 21.55. The previous top is around 23.17. Step one, I think, would be to break this trend line and continue this momentum going to the upside. Then step two would be this previous resistance sitting around 15.30. If we could break above this level, then I'll be targeting around 21.55, the previous resistance over here, and then we got the previous top at around 23.11. Let's pretty much delete everything and see if we can find a bigger pattern on like a big time frame. We have resistance right here and resistance right here. I think we're also looking at a downtrend, maybe something like this. I think if we could break this downtrend going to the upside, then that's going to be a big move, or that's when we're really going to see a big move for Sushi swap. We also have support right here and support right here, giving us the support bottom, something like that. I would say maybe drag from the top to the bottom of this triangle. We have contact right here, we have contact right here, and we have contact right here. In my opinion, I would drag from the top to the bottom right here and right here. We could drag this to a potential breakout somewhere wherever we break this trend line. Let's say we break it at the bottom right there, and we're looking at a target of around $19.69, maybe $20. It just depends where we break this trend line, if we could break it going to the upside. If we break it going to the downside, that's going to be a bullish bearish scenario, and we could target the previous support levels, but let's not cross that bridge till we actually do that one way or the other. I think step one would be breaking one of these trend lines, then step two would be looking for previous resistance or previous support levels. I think the next target would be somewhere around 15.34 though, if we could break to the upside. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button.